Anyway, yes, my health stuff has calmed down a little bit. What? Why did that not give me a full? Why did that not give me a full neutral jump? And why did that pop my shield? Do we need to have a race, another race again at some point?
Yeah, I'd be down at some point.
You can't do one now?
Well, like, I don't know if I should want to.
Right. You're kidding me, right? Come on. Here we go. You're kidding me, right? Fine, I'll take that. Buy ammo just for safe.
I'm gonna go to speedrun.com and I'm just gonna look up every fucking answer.
That's not gonna make it. see, I'm surprised that that one did. That is not a proxy. So I am so bad at this insta-whip on Dex. After the... I am so bad at this insta-whip on Dex after the proxy. I don't understand why. No! God damn it. No! Game! Please! Finally. Stupid clip.
Dude, this is gonna be hard, man.
Okay, just pulled the headphones out so I can try and focus. I can try and focus by myself a little bit.
Alright.
There you go, just so I can hear.
Yo. MRL. Okay, so first I need to say, you bro, you made, for the most part, not clean.
Okay, look. I remember a while ago you said you can post twice in a row if it's like, you know, in my
We
eyes
need like a
it's okay.
definitive. We need a definitive rule though, because like the whole reason we have that rule is so that we can have one profile picture next to each GIF,
Hold on.
and like theoretically you could have posted your thing if I.
There you
So
go.
hard. So hard, man.
Well,
Should
there
repost
you
it
go.
though.
It's fixed now. Yeah, I did that. I got,
Okay. Also,
yeah,
so in the about a month ago, someone in the Jack Discord made a what is this? Somebody made like a quiz on how many Jack runners can you name, and I'm kind of trying to do that, but for Ratchet. But dude, this is being a little too not fun to do.
not fun to do.
I literally just okay, so I literally put down Zem just to like test out like what it's like to put answers. Then I did the 3 mods of like the series, FOAS, Mobius, and Persona. Then I did the leaderboard mods of Ratchet 1, and now I'm just going down the New Game Plus leaderboards, and I'm just thinking to myself, is this even worth it considering like is this even worth it considering I can only have 300 answers on the thing?
300.
Idiot.
Yeah, there's kind of more than that in the community, so
So what were you saying?
there's kind of like more than 300 people in the community. It's a
Well,
bit of an issue.
I'm gonna do this based on like whether they're active, whether they've helped out. So
Yeah.
more so like older runners like Link and Nito will be on this quiz if I choose to go through with it. But people like whoever's last place in Ratchet 1 AGB are not getting in this quiz.
Imagine they're doing the quiz and they're like, "Oh wait, I'm a runner," and they type themselves. It doesn't give them anything.
They'll be like, "Oh hey, I have a run on the boards. I have this casual playthrough, I guess." And then they're like, "Huh? What if I
"Why is
exclude
it
all the
working?"
Wait, what if I exclude like all the runners of a certain game, like I don't know, Secret Agent Clank, like anyone that primarily runs that game?
Yeah, they're frauds. Frauds?
Jasper,
Yeah, nothing.
Scary, Das. Who else runs only Secret?
Yeah, Das totally runs Sec.
Well, he actually is gonna be in the quiz because he has run other Ratchet games, and he does run Secret Agent Clank at some point, I think. So. Okay, if you're wondering who I have so far, I have Zen, Mobius, FOAS, Persona, Bronze, Yo Andy, Bish,
Does
Delta
FOAS even run?
Okay, I've checked FOAS's profile, and he only has like 3 going commando runs, and those were all back in like 2014 or 15. And even then, the videos are no longer up. So, I believe that he's done the runs, and he obviously does a lot for the community considering he's a mod. So I'll include him in the quiz, but like, I don't know.
Alright, yeah.
I think it's fair enough. What else? Okay. Alright, then I started going down. I put Ricky, Sneepy, Sappy, Zephyr, Spider Shark, Scaff, Tarna. Ain't the shit.
Let's go.
I think I got it. Yep, I'm fine. Wrong way. Alright, I'm back. I'm back with headphones.
Let's go, hello.
Oh yeah, I'm Ralph.
Yeah.
Okay. Dilwingo finally shipped off the PAL Ouya. I didn't DM him about it. He just like after class I checked my DMs and what did it say? He said ended up shipping a day late. My bad, but here you go. He told me how much shipping costs. So I obviously didn't care that it was a day late. I told him like, dude, no worries. I'm just glad I'm just glad I can pay the money. So in total, I only have to pay $15.20, which
that is really good. Wow.
Yeah, that's cheap. Like I said, $10 for the game. $5.20 is a bit excessive for shipping, but obviously he didn't choose that price. So
yeah.
I mean, the fucking shipping prices are weird. Sometimes it's free, sometimes it's like $10 fucking, and it's just like I blame Joe Biden for this. Somehow this is his fault, but obviously 15.20 overall is still a good price for a collector item. At least that's what I'm gonna use it as.
Biden.
So I sent him the money. Thankfully there was no issues with PayPal. I didn't fuck anything up. He said, thanks buddy, I got the money. I'm like, hell yeah, you're the man, Wingo. We just exchanged emails, and it's gonna come in on Tuesday, supposedly. Give or take.
Let's go.
Nice, alright. Oh yeah, Emerald, you'll be happy to know that my heart stuff has kind of fixed itself now, apparently.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna deafen real quick. So I can go to the bathroom.
Okay. Well, I hope it is good now. What you described, it wasn't nice.
Yeah. Yes. Hollister Studios.
Hollister fart. You know, from now on, I'm just gonna do the gadgebots. I am not doing that jump again.
I'll probably do the gadgebots for now. I might learn Scrunchless.
Maybe. I wouldn't do it yet, though.
Yeah, I know. Scrunchless is like the ultimate swag in this game, honestly.
Oh, imagine going against it, God.
Imagine going against what?
Like Scrunchless in a PvE. You have to do all the runs dead. That sucks.
Nah, not if I have not if I have massive time save somewhere else in the run.
I guess, yeah.
I don't actually know how much Scrunchless saves. It is a decent chunk, but I'm not entirely sure.
I think it's like... My estimate would be like 10-15 seconds, but I'm not sure.
So I can maybe race again later on. I can maybe race again later on today, or I might want to
That would
do
be cool.
Deadlocked any percent or Activity Plus, since I kind of want to juggle those three. But I still want to be somewhat competitive with Musa, and he said he might want to have a race at some point of Deadlocked any percent.
Yeah, that would be sick. Why is my Rackman not connecting?
I think I kind of figured out the issue with why it wasn't working. Because I wasn't connecting it while I was actually in the game. I was like in the it was like in the menu.
Oh, maybe that's why it's happening to me too. I'm still getting the error. Maybe my IP's changed.
Yeah, always check your IP, but it does. I went from like 7.1 to 7.4 to 6.9 to 6.7. I've had all of those as IPs for me. I mean,
I'm just gonna guess my IP.
Don't try and guess your IP.
I've done it before, it's funnier. It changed once, I was too lazy to check.
I mean, I always thought I thought it was always going to be the same thing, but it's really not.
Yeah. It's because it's like the local IP that changes. Public IP doesn't change, I think. I'm not actually sure. But yeah, it's like one of those two. Alright. 5 now. Just 5 rock.
Yo! I got Hollister.
Yo!
I got Hollister proxy in a run.
Yo! Let's go. I think my PB doesn't have it yet.
Alright. But I'm making pretty good time actually. What, you just want me to just throw it to command center again?
Please don't.
Command center is cringe.
I can agree with this.
Yo, can I please have a falling neutral long jump on Draco? Thank you.
Stop coughing entirely.
I'm guessing my IP for Rackman because it's not working.
Wait, are we about to do a race or something?
I'll finish this run, and then I'll see how I go. I should be fine.
Emerald, if you want to do a race, just let me know and I'll boot up my PS2 so I can start practice.
I mean,
That would be very
I'm on Draco right now, so.
Okay, I got. Okay, what should? Okay. Okay, actually, I know what to practice. I read this down in my notes. Very white. We just left him into the playoff. Yeah.
Got the clip pretty fast. Very nice.
Alright, point 9 doesn't work. Point 2.
Is RPCS3 for the future games any good? Not that I'm gonna use it.
I think so.
Yeah.
RPCS3 has gone really, really good recently. Like it's a.
It had like no graphical errors as well.
I can't believe that the PS3 emulator is better than PS2.
Yeah, like I can run the trilogy better on RPC3 than PS2.
Dude, I'm so glad that RPCS3 is actually getting some love and stuff from the people that make it. It's like,
yeah.
God, that's so sexy.
It's amazing that RPCS3 is actually open source as well. Is PC6?
I don't know what that means.
Like you like you don't have to pay for it, and you can kind of do what you want with it once you got it. I guess you don't have to.
I think PS2 emulators like that too. That's why, like,
you don't have to buy a license to use it.
It's so based.
Anyway, Starport was a little bit of a pain with the clip.
Oh yeah, that. You know, you can run the XMV on obviously PS2 now.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
I don't know if I want to boot up my PS2 and play Ouya. It's like part of me doesn't feel like playing games. I could just go raw into the race, and I could just raw dog it into the race, but you know.
Ooh, okay.
Also, Marathon Man has. Actually, yeah, this is something that's announcement worthy.
Marathon Man reaching 1,000 followers.
Yes.
Based.
I'm gonna put this in 1,000. Also, how do I make you love me?
What did we hardly say
That's
for the
outrageous
most part?
Sauce's stream title. His stream is titled "How Do I Make You Love Me."
Damn.
Second try the Comic 2 skip, that's alright. Ah yes, Metropolis.
I forgot that
Webman,
announcements and is Webman.
Oh yeah, no, not very. You can speak.
Do you have
I
Webman
was gonna
enabled?
say.
Maybe you should test
I was
that.
gonna say that I forgot that announcements was meant for like other people that aren't in the server for us to celebrate. Quick opinion now.
Quick.
Meantime, do not bonk. Okay, that's just something that you gotta like. I'm just gonna like. I literally just have to not be an idiot on Obani. Try the whip jump on Annihilation. Nope, I'm gonna do a different strat. Okay. Try the whip jump. Try the falling neutral long jump. God, these names are so long.
Third try Metro Proxy, god damn it.
Perfect my Metropolis movement. Especially that neutral long jump.
Really? My IP changed? Oh, okay, so that's why.
Get good backtrack whip jump on crash site so that I'm not reloading.
Why would you have to reload crash site? Why would you have to
Because you know how crash site whenever you're doing the backtrack and you are near your ship, you know how it automatically saves your checkpoint to wherever you were when you got the cutscene trigger.
Oh yeah, that.
I found a way to save that sometimes. Or you can just glide down you can just glide down and go at the magnet and go at the gravity and go at the grav and go.
In our first race yesterday, I got one so bad that I had to reload.
Actually, speaking of crash site, I'm actually coming up to it now.
Let's go.
What are the bets?
Alright, Ouya. I bet. Not smart. Okay. I thought my hair was a spider and I got really scared.
Alright, on to crash site now.
Onto our side. Oh, CPS3.
You do realize it's RPCS3, not RCPS3.
Yeah, that's what I say. RPC.
I don't know which one it is.
RPCS3.
You can tell it's not okay. RCPS3 has the name of the console. Whatever has the name of the console is wrong.
It's not P. It's
Oh,
no.
I'm getting confused with BCPS3s.
That's not a.
Yeah,
That's
no.
a fail. That's an incredible fail.
Just call it PS3 emulator, not RCZX5.
I will call it by its proper.
Did you just call it Z? Did you just say
Yeah.
Z?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
say Z.
What the
You're
fuck?
weird for saying Z. Okay.
Yeah,
It,
it's
it makes, dude, we literally have like 20 fucking letters that all end with the E sound.
It's Z, man.
It's Z.
It's not. It's Z. Shut the fuck. I
Dude,
can't ask
it's
HS
Zebra.
Blue to back me up because he lives in Australia and I don't know what movie. I swear to God, if I'm the only Z person, I'm gonna die. I'm cringe.
I hate Z.
It
I
sounds
hate
so,
you too.
it sounds so
My
wrong.
Australian friends say Z, so
No.
Z makes no sense.
yeah.
Z makes
it's
plenty
like
of
converting them.
sense. What are you talking
It
about?
does, yeah.
Z does
I
not-
went to a
dude,
radio.
Z
God
makes
damn
more
it!
sense.
No, no. I went
I
to,
love these arguments.
I went to a radio. No.
No! I'm so sorry.
This is what you guys get for saying Z.
I failed to see how that is relevant.
All those
I
holo
failed to see how
What's the
Potato and
comment?
Pancreas hasn't been banned from your server yet.
Okay.
Matthias,
What?
if you ban him from the server, can I be the one to do it?
I'm waiting for. I'm waiting to hear what North says about it. Honestly.
Oh, he'd agree. Come on, dude. Just give me like the mod roll, just for like a few minutes, just for like 1 minute, so I can ban him. And then you can take it from me. I don't care what you do.
Based.
Come on, I literally just want to ban him, dude. I want to do what my hero Devil Snake did.
Come on, can I please hit this cutscene? Thank you.
I love how I said you were a sweet potato in general to him.
Dude, I love how we all like think Devil Snake's a hero when just like a few months ago we were getting yelled at him and being like, oh.
I love how Potato Penguins got kicked, so he joined back and then got banned.
Devil Snake was like, I'm not having this shit today.
Alright. Phoenix
Yeah.
Rescue.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna boot up my PS2 now. I'm actually getting scared.
Based.
And can I please not bonk into stuff?
Once I get sub 40, I'm probably done with this game, by the way. Maybe I'll still play
Same
races, though.
I like Leah, but I also don't want to like completely like destroy my mental health, so I'm just gonna go for sub 40. Maybe one day if I get the drive, I'll come for like a
Oh,
better
you're
PC.
serious.
Maybe maybe if
Yeah.
I upgrade to PS3 SSD, I will go for World Record. Nah, I'm kidding. Dude, in my dreams I could get world record. Actually, not in my dreams.
Minecraft Dream.
I would, dude. I'd either have to play as good as Captain Wiffle does with suboptimal strats, as in no triple charge, or I'd have to be Tarnawina and play with triple charge.
Tana is like so optimal. He plays on 4-3 as well.
Dude, Tarna and Wiffle, like, obviously Zem was like the goat of the game for many years, but I feel like people don't give as much credit to Tarna and Wiffle, mainly because they're just not as known about. But Tarna and Wiffle, like, dude, they made that game their bitch.
For real.
That is not a proxy.
What would I have to learn if I wanted to? Okay, first I need to make the choice of switching to PS3 with an SSD. Then I have to do the Cactus Proxy on Velden. I'd have to get Quark Warp, I'd have to see. I'd have to be really good at VR. I'd have to do that first whip jump without doing the little setup thing I did. Let's see. I'd have to do waterless probably. I'd have to do insta whip. I'd have to be good at the ship fight. I'd have to do Dax proxy. I'd have to.
Can I please get the wall bounce?
I play PS2. I'd have to do.
Don't you dare kill me.
I'd have to do the 2-frame pack switch on Obani Gemini.
Obani 49.
I'd have to do mission 3 turret skip.
Alright, here we go. Game, I beg you.
The game.
Give me a good command center for once in my life.
Will not the game dude, the game hearing that be like, okay, you know what? I'll just magically give Matthias the power to do everything right.
Yeah.
Immediately I can't get. Alright.
I thought he said I nearly fart.
Anyway.
I kinda wanna play Ratchet and Clank with a Nintendo controller just to see what that would feel like.
Based.
Also, now that I think about it,
I missed the turret bounce.
Matthias, in Japan, the proceed button for PlayStation.
I know about this.
So you need to blame Japan. Actually, this is still Japan's fault. Japan likes the right side of the face buttons. Also, I love that Yonder just stopped.
Let's go.
I love that none of us ever call him, like, Pancreas. I only call him Pancreas if I'm talking to him because I don't want him to ignore my points. Trying to help him, and he still doesn't take the advice.
Hold on. I'm gonna teach you Dax proxy and see if it works research.
I don't really feel like learning a trick that
It did not just do that!
At least
It did not just do that!
Just Ratchet route. I want to add in an extra neutral long jump, actually.
Come on. Finish it up strong.
I'm gonna try adding a neutral long jump. I'm gonna try adding a few long jumps and seeing how I like them.
Come on.
I'll give it like 2 tries.
Okay. Come on, can I get a fast Neffy cycle?
Yo. Stop. Capture guard. Capture guard. Okay.
Yes, I can!
What is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
What's the time?
40:02.
What? Dude, you just smashed our babies. Oh no, you did not. Alright
It was on him yesterday, isn't it?
I have to come back to this game. This is just like unacceptable.
I have to put it.
What the hell, man? Jeez.
Oh my god.
Bro. Dude, alright. That's kind of nuts.
I'm proud of you.
Same.
Also,
That's so
I
good.
failed to reload this.
How did you do that, man?
How did I do what?
It's the 40.